Hey, welcome back. This is my fourth post today, and on this post, I am going to be taking a request from one of my viewers on XRP. I don't really trade XRP, nor do I really dive into the charts of XRP, so I thought it'd be pretty cool to look into something I don't usually analyze, and possibly add it to my watch list if I see something I like. On this post, I'll be telling you about my bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as my short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't really have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit. And I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now let's see what exactly is going on with XRP. So XRP had a huge run up since November, late November. It went from about under 30 cents to even like almost 3 times its price, all the way about to about 92 cents. Now it came down quite a bit, currently sitting at above 60 cents, and has formed this apparently symmetrical triangle pattern. Symmetrical triangle patterns are continuation patterns. 60% chance of it breaking upwards. You guys can verify that statistic. The measured target of this move, the conservative measured target of this move, is at about 89 cents, okay, if it does break upwards. Keep in mind, measured targets may or may not be reached, so that is something to not ignore. Even after this breakout, even if it breaks upwards, I can expect some resistance from the past trading action here, about 72 cents. That was where some of the wicks were, at least 2 converging wicks, okay? So 72 cents, in that range, I would expect some resistance. Now, let's also take into consideration of some components of the market right now, such as the 12-hour time frame. As we can see, we have created a pretty high RSI reading from the last high on the price action charts, and that was at about 92 on the RSI on the 12-hour time frame. Okay, currently we are sitting about just a little over 60 on the 12-hour time frame. So the next move on the price action chart, if it does make a higher high on the price action chart, I will be keeping my eye out on the RSI, because there is quite a bit of a difference to make up for on the RSI. And if it does not beat that high on the RSI reading from the previous high on the price action chart, that is bearish divergence and could signal a pullback soon after. And same thing on the daily time frame. The last high reading on the RSI was about over 90, and we are sitting currently about just a little over 65. So it's going to have to create a pretty high move on the price action chart to completely negate this possible bearish divergence on the RSI. I don't see the same things though on the 3-day time frame and on the weekly time frame, because the difference between the last high reading on the RSI, which is currently about 92 on the 3-day chart, and currently the RSI reading sitting about 87. I don't think that's very hard for the price action to beat. So I don't think there is possible bearish divergence on the 3-day and weekly time frame, fortunately. So the charts I'll be paying attention to would be the 12-hour and the daily time frame, because of the reasons I just mentioned. Now let's take a look into my bullish and bearish case scenario. My bullish case scenario will obviously for the price action to break out of this symmetrical triangle pattern and go towards its conservative price target of about 89 cents, okay? That is the bullish case scenario, very obvious. The flip side, which is the bearish case scenario, 40% chance of it breaking downwards, and that would create a measured target of about 40 cents, okay? That is the downside of the price target. Keep in mind, measured targets may or may not be reached, okay? And this is assuming that we actually break out by December 5th. If it breaks out sooner or later, we're going to have to adjust the measured targets accordingly. So this is my very quick look at XRP. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me your feedback, agreements, disagreements. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully. If you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on crypto analysis, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.